Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to make a cappuccino with an espresso coffee maker that uses the Nespresso coffee pods. And the only thing you're going to need, of course, is your maker, and you're going to need some kind of milk. You can use regular milk, A2 milk. I'm going to be using goat milk, and then a measuring cup. We're going to use 240 milliliter or 4.2 ounces of milk for your Nespresso. And what cappuccino is basically it's high concentrated coffee mixed in with the milk product. And then I'm going to top it off with some cinnamon and some cocoa and maybe some Cool Whip. So let's go ahead and make our espresso. And this particular espresso maker is called a Chulux. I got this off of Amazon for like 90 bucks. So it's preheating. Now as this preheating, let's go ahead and measure 240 milliliter here. Now you can use a milk frother to put this in as well, to give it more of a bubbly taste. So let's go ahead and put in our milk here. And now let's wait for our espresso. I want to top it off with a little bit of cocoa. I want to mix it first. Now let's taste it. Very tasty.